you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Alice's Kitchen. Now in today's video, I'm gonna be preparing this orange and sweet chili glazed salmon. For more amazing videos, you can find me on YouTube at Alice's Kitchen and also on Instagram at Alice's_kitchen. Now, let us cook. Okay guys, so here we have all the ingredients that we'll be using for our salmon recipe. For the season, I'm using salmon season, onion powder, parsley flakes, paprika, oregano, and Italian season. I also have a teaspoon of chopped garlic, 1 tablespoon of butter, 1/4 cup of freshly squeezed orange juice, and 1/4 cup of sweet chili sauce. We also have 1/4 cup of olive oil. First, I'm going to be combining all the season to season my salmon. Then, I'm going to be drizzling the olive oil all over our salmon pieces, and this is just to help the season stick together while it's being seared. Now guys, using a glove, also optional, you guys can go ahead and rub the oil all over that salmon, flip that over, and repeat the same process. Now it's time to add that season, guys. We're gonna be packing that season all over our salmon pieces, guys, okay? Now guys, you just want to pat that season on your salmon, guys, just ensuring that it's well packed on there, okay? Now this is how you want your salmon to be looking, just flavorful. Okay, look at that, beautiful. Now in a skillet on medium heat, we're gonna be adding 2 tablespoons of olive oil. We're gonna ensure that that is heated, guys, to perfection. Then we're gonna be adding our salmon pieces. Now while you're placing your salmon pieces in that skillet, ensure not to move it, shift it, or anything, okay, until it's fully seared. Now we're gonna sear this for about a minute to a minute and a half on each side. Because it is salmon, it has a little to no connective tissue. It's really easy to prepare, really easy to cook. So yeah, and the sear we're looking for is beautiful golden brown sear. Okay guys, now this is the perfect sear that we are looking for. Yes, 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 God, yes. Just amazing, okay? Okay guys, so as you guys can tell, I went ahead and I changed skillet. I'm gonna be shifting up the salmon because we're gonna be making our sauce in that same skillet with the salmon. Okay, so we're gonna be melting 1 tablespoon of that butter that I showed you in the beginning of the video. We're just gonna allow the butter to melt. Then we're gonna add our chopped garlic. We're just gonna sear this for a couple seconds because again, garlic, it's really easy to burn, okay? And we don't want a burn garlic flavor with our salmon. It's bitter and it's just not palatable, okay? Now we're gonna be adding our freshly squeezed orange juice and our sweet chili sauce. Now guys, we're just gonna pour that sauce all over our salmon and look how beautiful that is. Just amazing, guys. So good. If you guys don't want to add that sweet chili sauce, you can omit that and add honey, okay? Now to top that off, I'm gonna be adding chopped parsley and I'm just gonna allow the sauce to like cook down a bit, guys. Just a bit, okay? So guys, look how amazing this is. Just super easy to prepare. Like in less than 10 minutes you can prepare this, guys. I promise you can prepare this in less than 10 minutes, okay? I went ahead and I had this with salad. You guys can go ahead and have this with mashed potatoes if you guys have rice. You can have it over your pasta or even salad, as I mentioned, okay? Thank you guys so much for stopping to watch another one of my videos. I welcome you guys here and I love you so much for stopping by. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah.